Hi guys. So in this video, we will be discussing about how making use of string builder can improve the performance by about 50 times. Okay. So we have just theoretically seen, right? Using string, it increases a lot of space in the heap memory, and we have to remove it. We have to do the cleanup, and garbage collector also takes lots of lot of time to remove that garbage from the heap, and it takes a lot of memory consumption. So it's better to go for string builder rather than string, right? So we will show you how in lead code, how the performance is drastically getting improved with the help of string builder. Okay, let me share my screen and let me show you how this with the help of string builder you can reduce this, you can increase the performance and you can reduce the overall time. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, so this was one of the program to check for palindrome. Okay, so we have to check whether it's palindrome or not. Okay, so yeah, wait a sec. Okay, so this is basically the question. So if you see, this is the question. A phrase is a palindrome. Okay. So we have to convert all upper cases into lower cases. We have to remove all non-alpha numeric characters. Okay. And then we have to check and see like whether the string is a palindrome or not. Okay. So let's suppose this is the input given and I have to remove this white spaces, comma, colon, everything should be removed and it should be returned with this value of string, and then we have to check whether it's a palindrome or not. It's not a simple checking of palindrome. We have to check for alphanumeric characters as well. Okay, so first I have made use of string, and then I will make use of string builder to let me show you how performance gets drastically improved. Okay, and by how much amount. So here you can see I have made use of new string. Okay, and I have checked for alphanumeric character. So from 0 to till length -1, I'm going. And then I'm checking if s dot caret I is greater than ASCII value of A, capital A, and less than ASCII value of capital Z, or greater than small a, less than small z, or greater than 0, less than 9. So basically, we are checking for alphanumeric characters. So if it is alphanumeric, then we have to store those value in a new string value. Okay. So it will remove all white spaces, all extra special characters, everything will be removed and it will store only alphanumeric characters in this new string. Okay. Now here I've created one method is spelling check where I'm accepting the string. So here I'm converting it into lowercase. Okay. Because it may contain uppercase as well. So if it is uppercase and here it is lowercase, here you can see it is lowercase last character. So what will happen with that? It will not tell you that whether it's palindrome. It will tell you it's not a palindrome. Okay, but it's actually a palindrome. So we have to convert it into lowercase. That is important. And here I have stored it into an original string. Okay, and a palindrome string. I've created a new string over here. Okay, and then I've run a loop from backward, and then I've stored it in a palindrome string starting from backward. Okay, and then we have checked like if the backward string means string character appending from backward till front, if it is equal to my original string, then we have to return true, else we have to return false. So we are directly returning it from here. So I have done it using string. Okay, so now if I run it, you will see how much is the time complexity and how much time it is taking to execute. So here it is accepted. So if I submit here, yes, you can see it's taking 261 millisecond. Can you imagine 261 millisecond? I'm lying somewhere at last. Okay, the last is 137 millisecond. Okay, and I'm having 261 milliseconds of time it is taking. This program is taking. So how can I reduce it? Two for loops will be there if I'm not using any other data structure. So this can be done using two-pointer approach as well. That will be a homework for you. So as of now, we will be showing you here how if we convert string to string builder type, then how performance is improving drastically. So what we'll do over here, I will convert string to string builder now. So I will make use of string builder here. Then these things will happen. Now it will do like, it will not do like plus equal to. So we will do here equal to new string dot append. We will be appending here. Okay, so we are not using plus with string builder, we are using append method. Okay, so this is one of the internal method in string builder class. So here I am converting new string is a string builder, right? So what we have to do, we have to convert it into toString, then two lowercase, because two lowercase is a method within string class. It's not present within string builder class. So what we will do over here, we will do 2.toString. We will convert it into string class, and then we will do two lowercase, and it will accept string type. Okay. Now here we will be converting string to string builder. We will do string builder, original string equal to new string builder, and we will pass over here. Okay. And here we can't specify like this. We have to specify with new string builder. I hope you got a clarity now here. So now if I go here, we are using string, right? So we will be making use of string builder. Okay. So let me copy this part. Okay. So we are running a loop from length -1 till the 0th part. Okay. We are storing it in parent string. So here also we have to make use of append parent string dot append, and here we will store. And now if I compare parent string, it's what? It's string builder type, right? So to compare, equals method is not present in string builder class. It's present in string class. So we have to convert it to string type, string class to string. Then this original string is of what type? String builder type. So we have to convert to toString. Okay. So if it is matching, we have to return true, or else it will return me false. If I run it, let's see it's running or not. Yes, it's accepted. So now see here, 261 millisecond it was taking with string class. Now with string builder, how much it is taking? I've submitted a code. And here you see it's 5 millisecond. Can you see the difference? It's 50 times speed got improved from 260 millisecond to 5 millisecond. Can you imagine? Previously, I was beating only 5% of the users. Now I am beating 50% of the users. So previously I was lying somewhere at last. Okay. And now I am lying in the initial phase. Okay. So still it is taking some more time. It can be reduced a bit using two-pointer approach, but still it has improved its speed by 50 times just by changing the class from string to string builder. So now you have understood like what's the importance of using string builder class. Okay. It is mutable. Okay. And with the help of append method, you can just append it and it will modify the existing object. Okay. So if you are appending it to a string class, every time it will create a new object. So let's suppose the sentence is very big. Let's suppose it contains 1,000 characters. So every time you append to an existing string class, it will create 1,000 objects in the heap memory. And rather string builder is considering storing it into an existing object. So now you can see, right, how much important string builder is here. So wherever you are writing code in the project or in your small internal project as well in your home you are doing, okay, anywhere you are writing code, and if you have to make use of string or string builder, so obviously we should choose for string builder class. Until and unless it's very much important to make use of immutability in the map, if we are using, then we have to make use of key as a immutable class. There it's fine to use string class. There's not at all an issue. But if you are making use of certain logical functionality implementation, there we should always and always go for string builder class. So it improves the speed and it increases the performance by drastic margin. Okay, so here you can say 50 times it improved. So, and there is a homework for you. Try to reduce its speed from 5 millisecond to 1 millisecond. Okay. So I will be pinging you the link for this code, okay? And try to put it to 1 to 2 millisecond, okay? Using two-pointer approach, you can solve this. It's a hint for you. So go ahead and try to solve this question and you will learn a lot, okay? So there will be 3 ways to solve this valid palindrome question. So if it's like a learning thing, don't just do just for doing purpose, do it for enjoyment purpose, do it for learning purpose. Okay. So then your learning curve will be exponential. So I hope you got a clarity like how string and string builder works internally and how string builder beats string by a bigger margin. So we'll see you in the next video in the next set of concept. So it's Devjit Roy. I'm a senior technical consultant at ENY. So we'll see you in the next video. Till then, it's Devjit Roy signing off. Bye bye.